Hello students, good morning. Now today we are going to discuss about module number 5. In module number 5, we are going to discuss about equation of motion by graphical method. Equation of motion by graphical method. Let us consider an object. Having initial velocity u at time t is equal to 0. And after time t, velocity of an object that is v. And the graph of the object that is a, b. Now draw perpendicular from point A. This point is D and this point is E point. Now at time t is equal to 0 second, velocity of the object that is u initial velocity. At time t is equal to t second, velocity of the object that is final velocity. The object is at point B. Now in first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. Acceleration of an object. Acceleration of an object. Acceleration that is equal to slope of velocity time graph. Slope of velocity time graph. Slope of this velocity time graph, that is dd divided by ad, that is equal to acceleration. bd can be written as be minus de divided by time. ad, that is equal to a can be written as v minus u divided by t. Therefore, v is equal to u plus at. In second equation of motion, distance covered by an object that is equivalent to area under velocity time graph. Distance that is equal to area under velocity time graph. Area under velocity time graph, that is equal to sum of area of rectangle plus area of triangle. Area of rectangle OADE plus area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle plus area of rectangle will provide distance covered by the object in time interval t second. Therefore, S is equal to OA multiplied by DE plus area of triangle 1 by 2 base into height AD multiplied by BD. OA, that is equal to U DE OA multiplied by OE. OE, that is equal to T plus 1 by 2 AD T BD. BD, that is equal to A into T. that is equal to S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now in third equation of motion, v square minus u square that is equal to 2as. In third equation of motion, distance covered by the object that is equivalent to area under velocity time graph that is equivalent to area of trapezium. Area of trapezium that is sum of parallel sides 1 by 2, sum of parallel sides OA plus BE multiplied by perpendicular side that is OE. Now putting the value of OE, we get v square minus u square divided by 2a. Therefore, v square minus u square that is equal to 2as. Thank you. Have a nice day. क्या चल रहा है?